If you have ever tried managing a team or handling multiple projects, you know how quickly things turn into a mess. Major deadlines, endless emails, and everyone is asking, hey, what is the status on this? That's exactly why tools like Manna.com exist. It claims to be the ultimate project management platform that keeps everything organized and running smoothly. But here is the real question, is it actually worth it or just another overhyped software? In this video, I will show you exactly how it works, the best features that can save you hours, and a few things that might surprise you. And after review, if you are thinking about getting Monday.com, then use the link below. You might get 50% off and some other extra premium features for free. Monday.com's biggest strength is work management. If you run projects, handle a team, or managing multiple tasks, this platform keeps everything organized. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all in one place. Visualize your work with Kanban boards, Gantt charts, lists, or calendars. Automate repetitive stuff like status updates and reminders, so you don't waste time on manual follow-ups. And dashboards give you a real-time view of what's happening without the back and forth. Basically, no more scrambling for updates or digging through emails, it's all here. If you are in sales or deal with customers, then Money.com CRM is a solid tool. It tracks leads, manage contacts, and keep all customer info in one place. See your sales pipeline visually so you know which deals need attention. Automate follow-ups so no lead slips through the cracks. And it even syncs with email and Outlook, so you don't have to jump between apps. It's a clean, simple CRM that helps you to stay on top of your sales and client relationships. But Monday.com isn't just for managing projects and sales, it got tools that can help you to handle any kind of team. And here is how different teams can use it. First, marketing tips. Whether you are running ads, planning content, or tracking campaign performance, Monday.com keeps everything in one place. You can set deadlines, assign tasks, and even automate approvals, so you don't have to chase anyone for updates. Second, design and creative teams. Need a better way to manage design projects? You can organize assets, track revisions, and streamline approvals without messy email threads. Plus, everything stays in the one workspace, so no one is hunting for the latest version. Third is software teams. Developers can plan sprints, track bugs, and manage product roadmaps without switching between different tools. It even integrates with GitHub and Jira, making it easy to keep everything in sync. Fourth, IT and operations. If your team handles internal requests or IT tickets, then Monday.com makes it easy to track and resolve them fast. You can automate routine tasks, prioritize urgent issues, and keep everything running smoothly. And fifth, product managers. Whether you are launching a new feature or gathering user feedback, Monday.com helps you to stay organized. You can track progress, collaborate with different teams, and make sure everything stays on schedule. Recently, Monday.com introduced AI-powered features like AI Vision and an AI Enterprise Service Management platform to enhance efficiency and provide deeper insights into your projects. And with the mobile app, you can manage your projects on the go, ensuring you are always connected no matter where you are. Now let's talk about pricing. Monday.com has a free plan, but it's super limited. Paid plans start at $9 per user per month. But the real value kicks in at $12 per user per month with automations and integrations. The Pro plan at $19 per user per month adds time tracking and advanced reports. And there is an enterprise plan for bigger companies. Also, you need at least 3 users to sign up for any paid plan. It's not cheapest, but for teams who need automation, it's worth a look. So is Monday.com worth it? If you are looking for an easy way to organize projects, track progress, and get everyone on the same page, then yes, it's definitely worth checking out. The free plan works for basic needs, but if you want the full experience like automation and integration, then the paid plan are worth considering. If you want to give it a try, then check out the given link in the description. You might get up to 50% off and 14 days free trial too. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.